the F-15SG&AH-64D Apache Longbow. Piloting the Apache attack helicopter is Major Spencer Love, call sign Snatcher. He is an officer commanding from 120 Squadron. His co-pilot gunner in the front seat is Captain Danny Slough, call sign Rusty. And these two combat-ready winged warriors have a combined total of more than 3,000 flying hours. Vertical climb is the state-of-the-art multi-role F-15 Eagle from 149 Squadron. Flying the Eagle is Major Max Earn, call sign Maxim. He is an officer commanding from 149 Squadron, and his weapon systems officer at the rear is Captain Legion Ray, call sign 3. And now, inbound from your left, Major Earn will showcase the acceleration and tactical evasive maneuver we call the Sam Weave. The F-15 is a cutting-edge, all-weather tactical fighter that is designed to gain and maintain air superiority. It is also one of the most advanced variants of the F-15 aircraft built today. And now, flying in from your right and demonstrating the agility of his aircraft, Major Earp will now perform the triple aileron roll. With an impressive air-to-air combat record of over 100 kills to 0 losses, making it one of the most capable and formidable fighter aircraft in the world. Up next, Major Earn will exhibit the F-15's superior lethal air-to-air fighting capability with a high G-turn. Here comes 58,000 pounds of thrust. F-15 is equipped with state-of-the-art avionics and integrated sensor suite to be superior in their air defense and strike capabilities. Whole spectrum, integrated, and always ready. And now, from your right, Major Earn will flaunt the responsiveness and precise control of his F-15 with this 4-point rocket. While the aircrew dazzles with their spectacular maneuvers, special mention goes to our professional and dedicated engineering experts who maintain these excellent machines in tip-top condition. This excellent team also comprises of full-time national servicemen. Ladies and gentlemen, get ready for another breathtaking integrated maneuver. Flying in at over 1,000 kilometers an hour, the Eagle will flash past the Apache at close proximity. from your left and right. Here they come. Most advanced multi-mission attack helicopters. This attack helicopter is combat-driven in its land strike capabilities. Together with other air and land platforms, the Apache dominates the land battle and enables the airsafe to carry out a wide spectrum of operations to achieve mission success. Demonstrating the Apache's re-attack capability and showcasing its swift responses, Major Love now performs a yaw turn and fly right back into show center. This armor-protected helicopter is able to rapidly detect, classify and prioritize over 250 targets and also engage both stationary and moving targets at indoor range. Demonstrating the power and maneuvering capability of the Apache in close air support missions, Major Love will now perform a combat turn. The Apache is equipped with state-of-the-art longbow fire control radar and Hellfire anti-tank missiles, and is designed to fight against prevail in day and night and adverse weather conditions. While Major Love performs this backward fly, look below the nose of the Apache. You'll notice the movement of the 30mm cannon, which can fire at a rate of up to 650 rounds per minute and can be linked to the pilot's helmet or fire control radar located above the rotor blades. From this backward motion, Major Love will pull up into an impressive Viking climb and swing forward for his next maneuver. This advanced aerial fighting machine is capable of flying at over 300 km an hour while carrying a full combat load. Flying fast at low altitudes, Apache pilots are trained to multitask while operating this sophisticated attack helicopter. They are drilled to manage the complex avionics, detect, track and engage both air and ground targets, provide close air support and to ensure the safety of the aircraft. Up next, Major Love will perform a spiral dive, showcasing the agility of this fighting machine and the handling skills of our pilots. Ladies and gentlemen, this aerial display, a synergy of teamwork and professionalism, demonstrates the RSAF as an integrated force that fights as one to deliver mission success across a wide spectrum of operations. In the heart of our Air Force is our committed and competent people working seamlessly as a team to keep our nation's skies safe. And now get your cameras ready as we are about to light up the skies for our grand finale with a wow and zoom.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is Snatcher and Rusty from the Apache. I trust that you have enjoyed our display. On behalf of Team RSAF, we salute the nation with this bow.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, with that salute and fireworks, we have come to the end of our RSAF aerial display. We are honored to be a part of of the Singapore Airshow